Let's implement a factorial function in Ruby. So we'll define a function called factorial, and it's going to take in some number. And we're going to call factorial with some number, let's say 3 to start. And the factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So factorial is n times n minus 1 until we get all the way down to 0. And so we're going to print this out. And to start, it's going to not print anything. So we'll say Ruby factorial, and we get nothing back. That's because we haven't implemented our function yet. So here, GitHub Copilot is making it too easy for us. So that is going to be the implementation of our factorial. But let's show our work. So if we're inside of here, let's print out, okay, if we're at the very last number, then we want to say that we're going to multiply by 1, and that's going to give us how much it equals. Otherwise, let's print out the number n times so that we can see as we go. So 3 times 2 times 1 times 0. Okay, we could also make this 1 here, and we would get the same. So 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. Let's change our number to, let's say, 5. And now if we run this again, now we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The factorial of 5 is 120. So this is one way that you might implement the factorial function. This call here is called a recursive call, and that's because we're calling the factorial method inside of itself. So while we're executing factorial, we're calling factorial again.